Let me take one real client requirement. Imagine we are creating an UI screen, and on this screen we have a tabular layout, maybe or a simple table. And the client is asking us that I have some data inside Pega and I have some additional data in external database. I want to show both together in this table. The first question is, can we really do this in Pega? Yes, right. And that too, there are different ways we can approach this. We can try it using an activity. We can use RDB methods, and we can also look at report definition approach. Let's understand this step by step in very simple terms. First, let's think about using an activity. Suppose I get the data from my first table. I can store the data in one page list. We can get data from second table separately, and we can store this into another page list. Okay, now page list 1 from table 1, page list 2 from table 2. Now my UI tabular layout needs to display all this information. Can I directly give both page list to one table layout? No, right? The table needs only one source. So now what I have to do? I need to create one more page list and combine required data from two page lists, right? So finally page list 1 plus page list 2 to be combined into final page list. And this final page list can be given as a source to our UI table. It is possible. But honestly, if the requirement becomes bigger, the activity logic can become more lengthy and difficult to maintain. Right? Now, what about RDB methods? Let's look into another option like what if I use RDB methods. So we know RDB methods allows us to work with database using SQL. So if our external database is already connected to Pega, we can use the appropriate RDB method to get the required data, right? Instead of you separately getting the data and then doing like lot of merging in the activity, we can use database itself to get the required result. So this makes our activity logic much simpler. But remember one important point, the external database connection must be available and properly configured before we proceed with connect SQL or RDB related methods. You can write your own SQL query and manage it. That's fine. Now let's talk about most interesting approach, that is report definition. So this can be very clean approach where requirement is mainly to display the data. Suppose I create my report definition on my internal Pega class. Normally report definition gets data from that class only. But now I need some information from external table also. So what can I do? First, I need to make the external table available to Pega through the external class. We have to first create one external class. And that class needs to be connected to the external table. Yes. And the properties in Pega, whatever we are creating, it should be connected to the respective columns in the external table. Once this setup is done, I can use a class join in the report definition definitions. So now I can take some data from my internal class and also take some data from external class. And no doubt we can get combined result, right? We can make a report definition. We can ask report definition to do combining of these two classes, right? We know that. And the final result, whatever we are getting, we can define it as a source for our UI tabular layout, right? Now, what is the best approach out of all these three? Is OBJ browse the best approach, or RDB methods? Is it best approach, or report definitions? Generally, if I use an activity with multiple OBJ browse operations, I may have to go for managing multiple page lists and combining them. It becomes more complicated. With RDB methods, I can use my own SQL queries to get the required DB information, provided database connections are properly configured prior. And with a report definition, if my external table is properly connected to Pega, we can use class join and get the combined result more easy. So for a requirement like displaying data combined from maybe like different things, report definition is the best and clean approach. Now imagine if an interviewer is asking you this, can you get data from Pega table combined with external table? Don't simply say it as yes. So you have to say like maybe depending, you can answer it as yes, depending on the requirement, we can use activity with OBJ or RDB or an report definition with appropriate external class and joining setup, and then explain why you selected this particular report definition approach. So finally, concluding for this video is, so internal plus external table, if you wanted to combinedly get into one single table, we have multiple ways to achieve. The important thing is to understand which approach is simple and suitable for our requirement. So if you wanted to learn these type of real-time scenarios, follow us for more production level examples and interview questions. Hope this is like more helpful for you. Thank you.